Sunday test number 4 solution में first MCQ दे the largest lymph node या lymphoid organ in body is dash liver, spleen, stomach, pancreas. No answer the B. Spleen is the largest lymphoid organ. MCQ number 2 में दे dash heart is responsible for deoxygenated blood. यानी यो राइट साइड दे बल लेफ्ट साइड दे डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड ब कम तरफ मुंता मिलावेगी या पकुम तरफ बाने मौजूद है द लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड अपर लोअर सो द आंसर इज बी. पर राइट साइड बाने डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड दे ऊपर लेफ्ट साइड बाने ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड फ्लोइंग इन कैपिलरी इज डैश पकम स्पीड सरद्रुमी 2 mm per second, 2 mm per minute, 1 mm per minute, 1 mm per second. So correct option is C, 1 mm per second. Speed sir, slowest speed, highest speed da ko arteries ke de, और slowest speed da mung sir ko capillaries ke 1 mm. और the slow speed da de the parallel बेहतरीन exchange उशी the blood of the tissue commence के. Number 4 MCQ the undeveloped foramen oval the right atrium or the left atrium commence ki chikam opening the foramen oval kada undeveloped partition of future ke the kam bimari chances with cyanosis blue baby martaba cyanosis no A option tick de C option tick de kada partition mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood wala. So correct option is D, both A and C. 4 MCQ the answer D, both A and C. Number 5 MCQ the organ which receive constant blood during both resting and exercise position. Kamung exercise ko kamung पर rest करे कि यो organ दसे दे चाला constant pressure सरा blood अखनी नो अब कम यो organ दे the answer is liver, brain, heart, kidney. So the answer is brain. B option take the brain. MCQ number 6 the man's heart is enclosed in a tough membrane. The zuna na gear chapter the heart na gear chapter yo tough membrane the bakam yo de no cardiac membrane, pericardium, heart membrane, endothelium. So correct option is pericardium. So correct option is B. Number 7 the arteries carry oxygenated blood with the exception of dash. तमाम च supra arteries दी the oxygenated blood will cum yo the sede chaga deoxygenated will no abadi pulmonary artery ch the lungs ka taraf aane deoxygenated will no. So correct option is D, pulmonary artery. Coronary arteries supply oxygen and food to dash muscle. Coronary arteries rada pakhpal will no correct option is heart, lungs, stomach, kidney. So correct option is heart, A option. Coronary arteries supply oxygen and food to the muscle of heart. Heartbeat is initiated in dash. अगर कम यो structure दे चला अज़ना heartbeat initiate की गया ने the heartbeat इफ्तितार की the heartbeat the part of the impulse ज़रूरत है और impulse generation दा पर sinoatrial node की या SA node की. So correct option is C. MCQ number 10 the one complete cardiac cycle की the sumra time अखली 0.1 the atrial systole अखली 0.3 second the mung sara ventricular systole अखली 0.4 second the diastole अखली नो टोल mung जमा को the 0.8 second. So correct option is C, 0.8 second. Human has two circuit circulation. Your pulmonary the number come the answer is systemic या systematic circulation. So correct option is C, systemic circulation. Next MCQ the foramen oval in the fetal heart is located. Now already Google foramen oval the right atrium or the left atrium पर मेंस के. So interatrial septum is the correct option यानी C, interatrial septum. The largest lymph duct called thoracic duct या thoracic lymph duct drains into dash. कलम च lymphatic system वापस बिना blood lower की नो कम से बांधे वर की. So correct option is subclavian vein, A option टिक. renal vein option ऊपर करे hepatic portal vein pulmonary vein. Correct option is subclavian vein दे तो open की यानी वापस बिना द vein center की ऊपर कम veins बांधे और subclavian vein बांधे lymph वापस बिना द दाखिल. MCQ number next which of these is not included in the vascular system? Heart on the blood vessel on the blood on the. No, correct option is D, lungs. Lungs for vascular system के नाराज़ी. Next, what is the opening between the left atrium and left ventricle? The right ventricle or the right atrium commence with tricuspid valve. The left atrium or the left ventricle commence with bicuspid valve. But bicuspid valve is also called mitral valve. So correct option is A, mitral valve. Dash drain lymph from legs and pelvic region. Zamung ko body के 5 types trunks की पर lymphatic system के. Now अब कम यो trunk के चेदा legs ना the pelvic region ना lymphatic fluid या चकम fluid पाती शिप tissue के दावे drainage के और आगे वापस रावली और tissue the edema ना बच के. No correct option is lumbar trunk. Lumbar trunk यानी B option. The legs or the pelvic region ना lymph राव चलते. Number 17 MCQ. Which one of the following layer is elastic and made up of areolar tissue? No, the blood vessel 3 layers. The first layer tonic adventitia या tonic externa. The areolar tissue ना जोड़ा जाए. Correct option है. और द्वयम चिकम layer दे tonic media अगर circular smooth muscle ना जोड़ा था. और द्वयम चिकम layer दे अगर endothelium दे no. Correct option is tonic externa. The areolar tissue ना जोड़ा था. Left ventricle opens into dash. Right ventricle pulmonary trunk open की to carry the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Or left ventricle the aorta open की. So correct option is aorta. A option. MCQ number 19. Which one of the following is vessel of vessel? Mukum your connection to vessels of vessels value. No correct option is a vessel. A option. और tonica externa के मौजूद थे. The vessels dice large vessel the venous supply के so vessel SA node is sometimes also called dash. SA node ने चुनके impulse generation की heartbeat के start की गई the primary pacemaker होगा. So correct option is A, primary pacemaker. The wall of which chamber is thickest? 4 chamber the 2 atria 2 ventricle patolo के thickest को म्यूरे. So the answer is a left ventricle. So correct option is D, left ventricle. जैसे चला total body था blood supply के through aorta में दे वजन अल्लाह पाक दे wall तक स्टोर करे. The lymph vessel empty into dash already mongol lymphatic system but finally the lymph work कभी veins था. अब या lymph supply में vein नो मानने वाली करना हमारे के लिए MCQ. So correct option is B, veins. Lymph nodes are dash. पर body के पर lymphatic system के lymph node encapsulated tissue दी. Delta lymphocyte production हम की lymphocyte storage हम की. So correct option is C. Both of these यानी both A and B. So correct option is C. Secondary pacemaker को म्यूद नमून चकला heart conduction system वेलो impulse generate शिदा SA node ना और राशि AV node था AV node भी signal delay रावली चिदा वे वजन heartbeat और that whole process regulate शी नुका MCQ रावली च secondary pacemaker ना the answer is AV node. A option. Secondary pacemaker. The 0.1 second impulse delay रावली चिदा वे वजन atrial contraction complete शी और दागे नवाद ventricle contraction शुरू शी यानी heartbeat regulate करी. The thickest layer of the heart wall, epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, pericardium. So the thickest layer is the myocardium. The circular, the cardiac muscles na जोड़े. Myocardium भी. Natural killer cells कार से दे. Necrotic death into apoptotic death कभी कना apoptotic death into necrotic death या apoptotic into natural या no cell death. So correct option is कि यो cell पर necrosis मानने खत्मी की ना देवर्षी और दा पे apoptotic death तो वाले खत्मी. So necrotic cell death into apoptotic cell death. Correct option is A. Allergy caused due to dash. Mum 5 type antibody will do IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE, IgD. Kuma antibody da se da chaga overproduction ocean da relevant allergy cause ki no IgE da a option am tik de obal the allergy inherited hum da no correct option no sir both A and B and allergy is inherited as well and due to overproduction of IgE. So correct option is C. Oil produced by sebaceous glands among skin की sweat glands the sebaceous gland ने sebum release की sebum की fatty acids दी और the other fatty acids दवा जना the skin pH भी कम की acidity ज़्यादा की pathogen बढ़ा की first line defense दे no lowering pH. Correct option is A, lowering pH. Natural killer cells are a type of dash. Natural killer cell the कम types are तालुक सा कि मुंगली monocyte, lymphocyte, basophil, eosinophil, neutrophils. No, the taluk sa the lymphocytes, specialized lymphocyte. The null cell way. The correct option is B. The type of A granulocytes, यो granulocytes the granulocyte के राजी neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil. But A granulocytes के राजी monocytes or lymphocytes. Now, a type of A granulocytes which stay in blood for a few hours and then enter the tissue and become macrophages. So correct option is monocyte. यानी B option. चलिए कम को लेदा पर blood की विधि कम monocytes पर दब delocalized भी दब MHO और दब limited phagocytic activity दब short lifespan को चुका लेदा diapedesis की होता है blood न tissue का दाखिल शी होता है ना बाद भी macrophages mature दी localized शी diverse phagocytic activity show long lifespan शी होता है पर difference नहीं. Antigen is a foreign protein or any other molecule which stimulate the formation of this. असल की antigen third line defense activate के third line defense activation antibody जोड़ी. So correct option is third one की B, antibody production. Each antibody consists a molecule has dash polypeptide chain. Already the structure की मंगुली हर antibody the 4 polypeptide chain है. So correct option is C. Second order defense यानी second line defense पमों के vertebrates की कम यूनिट. और correct option is phagocytes. Phagocytes की क्या मंगुली monocytes और neutrophils. So correct option is C. That was second line defense के लिए phagocytes. Lymphocytes पर third line defense के लिए. 34th MCQ दे the immune cell that clean up the pus is a part of healing process. अगर कम cells दी च pus release pus clear की no pus desis dead neutrophil दी pathogens दी dead cellular debris दी tissue fluids दी दी total clear is the macrophage. So correct option is macrophage the healing process के pus clearance के B macrophage या monocytes. What describes a non-specific immune response? Non-specific specific immune response की A option है the activation of killer T cell the specific T cell B cell च कम क्यों भी या antigen presentation की चर्चा की गई whether MHC1 या MHC2 the third line defense दिया specific immune response the हो ingestion of a bacterial cell by a neutrophil यानी phagocytosis च कम process की या neutrophil phagocytosis की दिया bacterial तो मुंग सरा सकते non-specific में या मुंबते native immunity हो या inborn immunity हो तो C option ingestion of a bacterial cell by a neutrophil या macrophage. Granulocytes come the already movable neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil जब हम option change then the option B C neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil. Protein that help other cells resist viral infection. अगर कौन protein दीजिए no cell पर advance के the viral attack न बच के no correct option is interferon. Interferon in the viral जो anti-cancer the virus के खिलाफ cell activate के ज़मूंग the body अब antiviral proteins तैयार की उदाहरण के मदद से ज़मूंग the further virus attack न बच शु no interferon is the correct option. Antigen level whether MHC1 will be processed करे MHC1 सारा level शु ने बेब cytotoxic T cell या killer T cell दा process के उकदा MHC2 सारा level शु ने बेब helper T cell दा process के so correct option is killer T cell यानी B. 38 के B number killer T cell या cytotoxic T cell होता है. Principal phagocytic cell in a body are dash. कम cells दस नीचे होंगे principally phagocytic neutrophil, basophil, macrophage यो खबर है या monocytes so correct option is A. यानी macrophage या neutrophil और monocyte मतलब दो सेलुला मुझे दो neutrophil and monocytes. An antibody has total dash heavy chain. Heavy chain पर कितना दियो light chain पर कितना दियो तो 40 के मुंगसर राजी 2 यानी C. C option टिक दे. Antibody are dash protein in nature. Protein दो किस्म दी fibrous और globular. No antibody दा globular protein सा सही globular category दा. यानी B option टिक दे. Immune cell which interact with and process a free antigen. अगर कम cells दी चाहे label antigen पर third line defense के ना पड़े बल्कि just free antigen process की T cell label antigen whether MHC1 या MHC2 अगर process करी और B cell 10 cells दी चला free antigen process की so correct option is B. Next they all are related to third line defenses except third line defense adaptive दे clear करे दे acquired दे the पैदाइश न बाद जो specific दे जो कि specific antibody जोड़ी भी दियो specific antigen का खिलाफ तो the innate लफ्ज़ को टिक न दे जो कि third line defense में सर innate न दे the most required so correct option is C innate का न. Next CD4 cells are actually dash. CD8 cell में cytotoxic T cell तो और CD4 cell the helper T cell तो so correct option is A. helper T cells or CD4 cell. Antibody production occur in dish. Antibody comes cells, they are B cell, T cell, plasma B cell, and also correct option is C, plasma B cell. The mechanism of the defense को detail वाले कर दे. Memory cells production is related with dish line of defense. Mungchikalas cell mediated immunity vela, या humoral immunity vela. No mungchikalam clonal expansion को ना पाए कि वो B cell और T cell division के वो तो पदे दौरान के memory cells जोड़े थे. Memory cells चिकलम जोड़ी की दादा third line defense सरा तालुक सा इसको correct option is C, third line defense. Immune cells which are purely antiviral and anti-cancer cells चार खास virally infected cell cancer cell दबाने में खत्म ही दा answer is natural killer cells. अवल पे परफोरिन एंजाइम रिलीज जो दागे ना बात एंजाइम जो दागे को मदद सरा virally infected या cancer cell दबाने में खत्म. Secretory antibody में ऊंचा तो है. IgG antibody smallest antibody da can cross placenta cross cover शी maximum in number da. IgA antibody का most well allergic antibody da. IgM amongst the largest antibody da. So the correct option is IgA. IgA पर sweat क्यों भी, पर tears क्यों भी, पर saliva क्यों भी, न पर ये तमाम पर mother milk के हूँ मौजूद है. No, IgA is the correct option da. Secretory antibody like IgA. Cell-mediated immune response is mainly due to this. Cell-mediated immune response means through cells no the direct melaushi antibody production to the correct option is T cell. T cell no cell-mediated yes cellular part immunity is correct option is B. Null lymphocytes मुख्यतः है already मुंगुलू natural killer cell the B cell या the B lymphocytes the पास BCR receptor the T cell the पास TCR receptor natural killer cells 10 lymphocytes which neither BCR nor TCR द्वारा फिनिशना the आगे वाले जना भी तमु null lymphocyte हो या largest lymphocyte और the विरिशी so correct option is C. One antibody can bind with the total dish antigen. So आसान दे पढ़े diagram के मुंग show करे the antibody का मुंग normal structure बोलो पदे form के लिए यो antigen direct and that is की बल antigen दे तो so correct option is B यानी two antigen at a time that is के dish. Antibody response is sometimes called dish. कम response के मुझे antibody involved ना वे कम technically वायु humoral immune response. So correct option is A. Humoral immune response. Next day, number 53 MCQ. Main components of acquired immunity. Acquired immunity, specific immunity, adaptive immunity. B cell and T cell and plasma cell and so correct option is D and R. Vaccination provide dish artificial dish immunity. Already vaccine च जमा body कराशी. No the three breakdown कम antigens जोड़शी antigen labeling गुशी with MHC1 MHC2 memory cells जोड़शी न दा टोल खबर चुमंग राजम अपने antibody production उशी अब देखिए actively जमा body वाला so correct option is A the मुगला active immunity लगेगा. All are component of innate immunity except natural killer cells plasma cells all are component of innate immunity except natural killer cells complement system interfere plasma cell नहीं जैसे जो plasma cell दादा acquired immunity दिया जाता है third line defense cells दी. Two main groups of WBC which promote all immune responses are कम द्वारा से cells दी जो तकरीबन total immune system में जान सर रवान करे और total immune system regulate किलो phagocyte और lymphocyte so correct option is B. Phagocytes and lymphocytes. Coronary sinus channels open into dish. चिकलम coronary artery बांधे blood rush heart का circulation ना वो वापस heart तबिया में लगेगी पर right atrium बांधे ना द चाप मदद सर में लगेगी the coronary sinus channel पर मदद सर coronary sinus channel द open की right atrium तक no correct option is A right atrium. Vascular system that brings and end that begins and ends with the capillary bed. Vascular system या the blood vessel system just start kicking पर capillaries बांधे हुए हैं kicking पर capillaries बांधे. So this system तब among several the correct option is portal system यानी C hepatic portal vein the example the portal system. Next day among Sara 59 several capillary branch from dish arteriole medarteriole thoroughfare channel artery so correct option is B thoroughfare channel. Thoroughfare channel the final ends with the arteries till the arterioles ಇದಾವೆ बाद capillaries branch of shape. Tunica adventitia या tunica externa consists of this. Tunica externa ना the circular smooth muscle ना जोड़ा ना the longitudinal ना जोड़ा ना बहुत A in visit चावल areolar tissue ना जोड़ा. So correct option is D. None of these. QRS complex PCG बांधे राशि यानी रक्त कम large wave PCG बांधे जोड़ी विधान लसे शो के. The ventricular contraction show के and ventricular contraction is also called ventricular depolarization. So correct option is B, ventricular depolarization. P wave चकमा PCG राशि first wave या small wave चकमा जोड़ेगी तो दमुग लसे शो के atrial systole शो के atrial contraction या atrial depolarization होगा तो इसका correct option is A, atrial systole. AV nodal sinus is equal to dash already we start to the discussion. AV nodal sinus the 0.1 second और the तुम्हारा time reach atrial contraction पर complete शी और the again about ventricular contraction. Yes, so correct option is A, 0.1 second. चिकला atrioventricular valve closed the कम sound पैदा कर यानी चिकला bicuspid tricuspid valve closed the कम sound पैदा कर the answer is lung. A option lung. Each semilunar valve the pulmonary trunk or the aorta beginning के लिए the start के लिए no the sumra pocket like semilunar cusp ना या टुकड़ों ना जोड़ना again the answer is 3. Correct option is 3. The 3 pocket like semilunar cups na jodi no option C is correct. Right atrium of the heart receive total dash vein. Right atrium the sumra veins are available. No your superior vena ke vasho, your inferior vena ke vasho, your alveolar coronary sinus channel no matlab che brain veins it totally receive kari di. So correct option is C, 3 veins are available total. Next is choroid tendini. Choroid tendini connective tissues the piliary muscles the packet. That chart the ventricle की the bicuspid or tricuspid valves closing or opening regulate कई. So correct option is B. Choroid tendini are present in ventricles. Heart valves mainly consist of dash layer. The zlachikam valves the bicuspid tricuspid but the mainly the come you layer na jodi the heart valve. No correct option is endocardium. The dana taraf the folding hoki whatever cusp jod ke hoda mere the valve junction. No correct option is B, endocardium jodi. Heart valves mainly the motion. Right ventricle has thinner valve than left ventricle in a ratio of dash. Among the right ventricle or the left ventricle the valve thickness hoguru the sumra ratio bande the yoga 10 or thick. The correct option is 1:3. Yani B option. 1:3. Next the pericardium outer part consists of dash. Pericardium 2 layers which come outer layer but the nature se the inelastic white fibrous tissue na jod. So correct option is B, inelastic white fibrous tissue. SA node consists of specialized plexus of dash. SA node chikam impulse generation ke heartbeat initiate ke the sun na jode neuron na jode nerve fibers na jode cardiac muscle. So correct option is C, the cardiac specialized cardiac muscles na jode. Fast conducting fibers of heart conduction system SA node, EV node, Beckman fibers, bundle of hairs, bundle branches and Purkinje fiber. The tool is the heart conduction system ravali. But the tool on fast conducting fibers come the answer is D, Purkinje fiber. The reason so what the gap junction sara intercalated disc मौजूदी और the द्वारा चीन the fast conduction के भी the no intercalated disc gap junction that what the zona reach the fast conduction that are responsible. The correct option is Purkinje fibers. Time interval for the action potential to reach from the SA node to EV node. Sumra time के बाद SA node na EV node na the tamam impulse groomy the heart contraction the correct answer is C, 0.4 second के बाद groomy 0.4 second. A cardiac cycle is a sequence of dash heartbeat. यो पूरा cardiac cycle the मुगल sumra heartbeat specified. Again the answer is easy, A option the 1 heartbeat is equal to 1 cardiac cycle. Vasovasorum या vessel of vessel the mcqs is related to dash. That chart the correct option is tunica externa or tunica externa is also called tunica adventitia. The correct option is C. artery which supply blood to the brain is dish al kum artery which blood brain to supply ki no correct option is carotid C option carotid artery the brain ta blood supply ki oxygenated blood fluid and interstitium is derived by dash by dash from capillaries chikala interstitial fluid razi interstitial space kanada pakam process bande rahozi filtration yes diffusion yes osmosis so correct option is R D the tamam processes bande rahozi all are the role of lymphatic system except lymphatic system immunity को मतलब provide की जाएगा चल lymphocytes पर store कीगी mature कीगी circulate कीगी fluid balance रावली चिकम 3 liter per day जमन interstitial fluid पाती की गा वापस drain की वापस blood level की fluid balance fats absorption की electrical vessel पर digestion chapter की मुंबई को वेला एक इधर ना दे fat storage the this are related ना दे correct option is D. Lymph is actually dash. Lymph by nature से the blood then no, blood plasma then no, blood cell no, tissue fluid the river form की interstitial fluid the या tissue fluid so correct option is D. Third line defense has special antigen labeling molecule. Antigen labeling molecule you MHC1 दे, बल MHC2 दे, और दे द्वारा ता HLA by human leukocyte antigen so correct option is D. D is the correct option. Pick the odd one out. Odd one out means to come that the race are related, no, they are those. Specific immunity, acquired immunity, or adaptive immunity. That they were third line defense. Innate immunity, the first or second line defense. So correct option is the innate immunity. That they know, or they know, me the test on free. Or the discussion on sanas health as well as inshallah next test burns among the explain ko no koshish koi preparation work होता है